Samsung finds solutions through questioning. Is there a high energy efficiency air conditioner? Which air conditioner is suitable for diverse environments? Is it possible to find a slim and light air conditioner for easy installation? What is an all-in-one system that provides not only air conditioning, but also a water heating system in the same product? The Samsung Air Conditioner System enables everything to be possible. Next generation smart building experience. Samsung System Air Conditioner.
Yes, I'm a developer in commercial and residential property markets. I've done a number of large-scale office buildings in central London recently. Well, two things I think are really, really important. One is energy efficiency, and the other is control.
Many customers consider energy efficiency while selecting an air conditioner. Samsung suggests DVMS as the most suitable product for customers. DVMS contains dual compressors, and DVMS produces faster cooling effects with a dual digital inverter system. The dual scroll inverter compressors enable reaching the desired temperature in less time. It is more energy efficient compared to conventional fixed inverters. The vapor injection system recycles the wasted energy back into the compressors with an 18% higher refrigerant flow rate compared to conventional products. The Samsung DVMS carefully deals with energy efficiency. Samsung also suggests Zen Manager to meet the needs of a control system. Zen Manager enables the monitoring of energy use on a PC, as well as smart devices. It not only remotely controls the air conditioner system in each space, but also analyzes the current conditions and improves future performance with monitored data. Also, Samsung suggests a user-friendly managing function that reports errors in the system management to users.
Yeah, with Samsung, I think we found the perfect solution and brand partner.
Sì, io sono ingegnere nella progettazione di edifici civili, per il terziario, per hotel. Flessibilità di un sistema è molto importante. Samsung è molto adatta in quanto flessibile alla riqualificazione di edifici in cui ci siano delle problematiche particolari di inserimento all'interno dell'edificio esistente. Ma direi molto elevato in quanto ho potuto apprezzare l'elevato livello tecnologico dei prodotti Samsung.
Samsung suggests various types of indoor units for diverse inner spatial environments. Duct, allowing a low noise level and hidden installations in guest rooms. Cassette, easily controlling the temperature in restaurants and fitness centers. Console, partly heating and cooling meeting rooms. RAC, enhancing cost efficiency in managers' offices. Also, the Design Support Program handles all needs for an optimal design. LCC analysis helps with efficient planning as well as easy comparison by analyzing the price of specific items and the period of use. CFD analysis enables the analysis of indoor air current and facilitates the identification of the most suitable indoor unit for the location. DVM Pro is a planning program that includes all kinds of Samsung air conditioning product functions for easy planning. The Samsung air conditioner system creates perfect harmony in diverse environments in buildings.
Ho fiducia in Samsung.
Profesionalno se bavimo instalacijom klimatizacije po shopping centrima, objektima gdje je potrebno hlađenje i grijanje i to nam je osnovni posao. Potrebno je odabrati uređaje za odgovarajući prostor i potrebno je obratiti pažnju na lakoću instalacija, težinu uređaja i kasnijem održavanju. Ne samo jednostavnost instalacija, kupci su prezadovoljni sa dizajnom, grijanjem, hlađenjem i ispravnosti uređaja. Tihim radom.
Samsung suggests Duct S as the most suitable solution for the easy installation of an air conditioning system. The key benefits of Duct S are slim and light. Its size is 30% smaller and weight 42% lighter than conventional products. Also, three-way service enables the opening of the product from diverse directions, such as top, bottom, and side, which supports easy and convenient after-service. Duct S shows confidence in its powerful cooling performance. The new Scirocco fan, with an increase in size, performs more powerfully than conventional products. The new Scirocco fan is even more powerful with 3 fans from 2 fans previously. Also, the 30% higher heat exchange efficiency of the flat micro-channel evaporator significantly boosts energy efficiency. These Samsung air conditioner system specifications and benefits will satisfy both installers and customers.
Da, svi vjerujemo i vjerovat ćemo u Samsung.
Pues yo soy arquitecto de profesión, me dedico a hacer residencial de lujo, a diseñar viviendas, a hacer proyectos llave en mano completos, coordinándolos completamente. Bueno, nosotros los arquitectos nos basamos mucho en la estética de los productos, con lo cual Samsung está consiguiendo con sus nuevas unidades interiores una gran calidad en este tipo de producto para residencial. Sí, totalmente. El sistema All-in-One de Samsung es perfecto para nuestros proyectos residenciales, que encaja perfectamente en nuestros diseños de lujo.
The best solution for an all-in-one system is EHS of Samsung. It is not necessary to install an air conditioner and a boiler separately. So you will experience simpler device management and the economical application of space. EHS leads energy efficiency with the simultaneous operation of an air conditioner and water heating system.
Nosotros confiamos en Samsung.
Samsung is offering optimal solutions to meet various needs. Next generation smart building experience. Samsung System Air Conditioner.